From the tallest railway bridge to the world's largest photovoltaic farm, India has made huge strides in megaprojects and cutting-edge technologies. So, after reading many of your comments over the past few years, it's finally time for the top 10 megaprojects in India. We start with bridge number 10, the Chenab Bridge, with a price tag of $180 million. Many of the current megaprojects in India aim to improve connectivity between different regions. One such project is a 1,315-meter-long bridge in the highly controversial region of Jammu and Kashmir. Situated 359 meters above the Chenab River, it is taller than the Eiffel Tower and the tallest railway bridge in the world. Before the bridge was completed, the only road connecting Kashmir to the rest of the country was the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway. However, this single road is severely affected by harsh winters and remains closed for several weeks a year. Fortunately, the new Chenab Bridge will solve this problem when it opens later this year. In addition to providing a new land route, the bridge will also serve a strategic purpose and allow India to exercise greater control over the territory. Moving on to number 9, Palais Royale in Mumbai, India's $380 million financial capital. Mumbai is also the center of skyscrapers, home to almost every skyscraper in the entire country. The tallest of these is the 320-meter-high Palais Royale, due to be completed after years of delays. Construction of the country's first super-tall skyscraper began in 2008. It was planned with great fanfare that it would be a residential skyscraper to attract the city's growing elite. However, the building has been embroiled in several lawsuits, leading to delays and cost overruns. Through all court proceedings, construction continued, and finally, in 2018, the building reached its topping out. But then work on the facade and interiors was stopped again. The skyscraper was auctioned in 2019 for just $85 million, and its construction was approved by the highest court in the country. While construction continued, question marks remain as to the usability of the skyscraper and whether it will be fully occupied. The latest completion date for the Palais Royale has been set for December 2023, by which time it would have exceeded its budget of $380 million. Compared to the following major projects, these costs are quite acceptable. Two of the most important tunnels are Zoji-La and Z-Morh on Srinagar-Leh Highway. The Z-Morh tunnel will connect Srinagar and Ladakh, allowing access to these regions in winter via a 6.5 kilometers length. The longer Zoji-La tunnel will run for 14 kilometers, connecting LE and Srinagar. This tunnel is being built in India's toughest terrain around the Zoji-La Pass. At an altitude of 3,500 meters, it will be one of the highest car tunnels in the world. Work on the two tunnels will be completed by 2024, and the government is already planning to expand the network in the coming years. Number 7, Mumbai Coastal Road is a $1.7 billion project. In addition to super-tall skyscrapers, Mumbai is undergoing major infrastructure upgrades in 2023. Congestion is a serious problem for city commuters as average vehicle speeds remain below 25 kilometers per hour. However, several projects will change the way Mumbai travels in the near future. At a cost of $1.7 billion, the city will get a 29-kilometer-long coastal road where vehicle speeds will average 80 kilometers per hour. The route also includes twin 2-kilometer tunnels running under the Arabian Sea. The 10 kilometers first phase of the project connects Princess Flyover Road. The Worli Sea Link is 75% complete and will be open to traffic by the end of the year. NaVi Mumbai International Airport, which costs $2.3 billion, is part of the solution to Mumbai's traffic congestion problem as it is the country's financial capital. Mumbai is India's most traveled city but has only one major international airport. Mumbai International Airport can handle more than 50 million passengers a year, but most days it operates with only one runway. The scope for expansion is limited at current facilities, and airlines are struggling to provide seats for more flights. To solve this problem and ease congestion at the existing airport, a private conglomerate took on the task of building a new airport in 2017. The first phase of the project will be completed next year, relieving some 20 million passengers at the city's main airport. The remaining stages will be implemented over the next decade, with a construction cost of up to $2.3 billion. NaVi Mumbai Airport will eventually have an annual capacity to handle 90 million passengers, making it one of the largest airports in the world. While the airport solves a huge congestion problem, some aviation experts and activists believe that a better location could have been chosen, as the current location is dangerously close to major bird sanctuaries, leaving planes vulnerable to bird strikes. Number 5 is the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, which costs $2.4 billion. Another key addition to the revamped transportation system is the 22-kilometer 6-lane sea bridge linking central Mumbai to NaVi Mumbai. The need for a sea connection has always been there to bring Mumbai closer to major cities like Nagpur, Goa, and Pune. However, by 2004, there were no concrete proposals, and the first 4 attempts to start construction failed due to unrealistic offers from many contractors. Finally, the government of Maharashtra awarded 2 separate contracts for the construction of the Trans-Harbour Link in 2018. This strategy has helped eliminate construction delays, and the link is ready to go. In just 5 years, starting in 2024, it is expected to serve 70,000 vehicles a day at average speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Number 4 is the Dholera Solar Park, which costs $3.2 billion. India's emergence as a tech giant in recent years has been accompanied by advances in renewable energy. The government has set an ambitious target of generating 175 GW of renewable power in the coming years, and Dholera Solar Park is a key part of this plan. The project is being developed in 2 phases alongside the larger Dholera Smart Project and will eventually deliver 5 gigawatts of power, making it the largest solar park in the world. Currently, work is underway on the first stage of the project, which will be completed by the end of the year. The entire project is expected to be completed in 20 to 30 years, with a total cost of more than $3 billion. However, this huge valuation pales in comparison to the insane sums spent on completing 3 of India's biggest mega projects. Number 3. The Sardar Sarovar Dam, worth $8.2 billion, was built to address the challenge of distributing water resources among India's vast population. The Narmada Valley Development Project, first proposed in the 1940s, included the construction of a series of dam and canal projects along the valley. However, like most water and power distribution plans, the project has been the subject of controversy for decades due to its social and environmental impact. The largest of these dams built over the basin is the Sardar Sarovar Dam, whose construction began in 1987. It took another 30 years to plow through environmental campaigns, protracted legal battles, and disputes between rival states. Finally, the 1,450 MW hydropower plant project was officially launched in 2017, with construction costs reaching USD 8.2 billion. The dam now irrigates the land and provides electricity in 4 states of India. Gift City, Gujarat, which cost $11 billion. Based on its recent achievements, India aspires to cooperate with global financial centers such as the United States, United Kingdom, and Singapore. Gujarat International Finance Tech City is leading this push as it attracts some of the world's biggest financial players. Construction of the $11 billion business district began in 2013, which includes banks, capital market entities, insurance companies, and manufacturing units. To date, the 900-acre site now hosts more than 200 operational business entities, and over $4 billion is traded daily on international stock exchanges. The main tenants in the Special Economic Zone are the Bombay Stock Exchange, Brokers Forum, and the National Stock Exchange. It is also home to India's first bullion exchange, which will help the world's largest gold importers set price standards internationally. Currently recognized as a smart city, India's largest tech hub will soon become a global city as a gift, with the government clearing the way to triple its size. However, India is planning an even bigger mega project, costing twice as much as the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Dholera Smart City, worth $22 billion, is part of the multi-billion-dollar Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. This project was completed at a fast pace. The Dholera Smart City will have everything from high-speed rail to expressways and a new international airport. It will host major manufacturing industries, including electronics, aerospace, and defense. As a whole, the city will be 1.5 times the size of Mumbai and is expected to house more than 2 million people for now. Work is underway on the first stage, in which the emphasis is primarily on improving the infrastructure in the central business district. The next stages will be the development of the city's landscape and the integration of nearly 200,000 people in the developing society. The project is spread over 15 years and will be implemented in 6 stages. The Dholera Smart City sets the tone for 8 more industrial cities planned for the future, transforming India's urban landscape. Despite the apparent glamour, India's massive smart city projects have received much criticism. Critics believe that projects such as the Dholera Smart City are the result of utopian urban planning with lower returns than the capital needed to build and operate them. Redirecting funds to such projects also runs the risk of sidelining existing urban centers that are in dire need of modernization. However, the Narendra Modi-led government appears unfazed by the criticism and has committed further funds to these changes. Which of these mega projects impresses you the most? What other projects in India should we discuss? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.